Alam mo yung pinaka-common na dahilan kung bakit walang clients pa rin yung mga beginner na mga VAs? Hindi dahil kulang sila sa skills, hindi dahil walang opportunities, hindi rin dahil saturated ang market. It's something simpler but more painful. It's because you stop too early. Now, let that sink in. Kasi karamihan ng mga beginners, they actually start strong. They apply today, they send messages, they update their resumes, nagre-research din sila ng mga strategies. Then after a few days, wala silang reply na nakukuha. And anong nangyayari after nun? They stop or slow down or magpapahinga muna. Pero here's the truth. Most of your efforts haven't even had time to convert yet. Ito yung real talk, yung VA job hunting is not instant. It's not one application equals one result agad. It's repetition over time. Kasi clients don't always reply immediately. Sometimes they see you later. Sometimes they compare you with other applicants. Sometimes the timing is not right. Sometimes they only respond after multiple touch points. But if you stop early, you remove yourself from the process completely. And that is where most beginners lose. Hindi dahil they are bad, but because they did not stay long enough in the game for the results to even appear. Kasi imagine, you applied 10 times today and then you stopped for a week. Meanwhile, someone else applied 10 times every single day. So, hulaan mo kung sino yung tao na stay visible. Sino yung tao na makakuha ng chance. So, instead of asking yourself, bakit wala pa akong client? Ask, did I actually give my effort enough time to work? Kasi in VA journey, success doesn't always or doesn't usually come from doing more things. It comes from not stopping too early. That's it.